G'day everyone, how's it going? Just thought I'd jump on here, make a bit of a video about what I'm trying to do this arvo. Basically what we're looking at, taking the roof rack off the patrol and gonna cut it down to a flat rack from a basket as we've got a new rooftop tent coming. So I'll flip you around and show you what we're up to so far. Got it on a bit of a table and all I've done, gone around, marked a line across all of my supports there. I'm just going to take the grinder with a cut-off wheel and go straight across there, and then flap disc it down to a bit of a level so that we've got a nice flat basket to lay the new rooftop tent across. So I've gone through and ground them all level all the way around, as you can see there. All I'm going to do next is get a bit of paint, spray it over, and then probably put a bit of pinch weld or something around there just to give it a nice smooth surface, nice and flat across the whole board. So I've just gone through and painted up all of those bits that I cut, put it out in the sun to dry, and then also just tapped a bit of pinch weld onto all the raw edges just so it's a bit smoother and looks a bit tighter. So I'll flip you around and give you a look at how it looks now.